and we have not had a buy signal yet. Everyone agree? Okay. So I have a trivia question for you. What do you think you should do if there's a buy signal that comes up on Tesla in the next 4 days? Take a guess though. Hold on, before you write it to the chat pane, really think through it for a second. When the words BUI come up in green with a giant arrow, what do you guys think? Okay, cool. So we try to make it pretty easy for you, because I'm sure all of you know that you can make money as the market goes up and you can make money as the market goes down. This will just be an indicator or a tool that will kind of allow you to know what the momentum is. In just a few days, the momentum will shift on Tesla to buy. It'll be more bullish than bearish, probably about 3 days from now. So just keep that in mind, right? So when you get this green arrow that says buy, you can buy that day when it says buy. All right, here's our 10-second update. Let's click on the Momo indicator and find out what it did. We did get a buy signal, and it actually was just a couple of days after that on January 24th. If you bought that day, you are profitable. Congratulations. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.